I was born in Japan in '62, where I lived for the first 5 years. And in 1967, I came to India at the age of 5. When I went back to Japan in 1983, I saw there was a huge difference in Japan. They had become very developed, and India was still scampering at that time. I'm talking about in the 80s. So it's not that I was in India, that's why India had to slow down, I guess. But it was a stark change, because I was expecting Japan to be what I had thought of Japan when I was young. And then I got into a Japanese company in 1987, investment bank in Tokyo, started working as a stockbroker. And very early on, I started to realize as to why Japan has done so very, very well. And what I realized were two reasons. One, governance in Japan was better than obviously what we had in India at that time. And also equally important, the companies in Japan which prospered post-World War II, like Toyota or Panasonic or Sony, they realized this fact that practicing inclusive growth would be the right thing to do. And that's the reason why I think Japan over the years has done very, very well. So after having worked in Japan for a few years, I was transferred to America. And America was a dream for anyone who grew up in India to be there. And I was quite surprised that in America they had the Statue of Liberty. That's where I was working in New York. But I would also hear people in America talking about that the Statue of Liberty is very, very important. It represents liberty, the basic fundamental right of any American. But also I would hear from time to time people talking about that equally important is for Americans to have a statue of responsibility, because liberty without responsibility can create issues. And obviously in the recent years in America, many companies obviously have realized that when people take liberty for granted, they can do things which are very, very wrong, the financial crisis that America had to go through. And now I'm sure in America as well, I think they're very, very cognizant of the fact that people have to become responsible. And coming to India, obviously, I'm so glad that now the governance in India is becoming better, and companies in India are also becoming quite aware that inclusive growth is the way to go. So thank you very much, and once again, thank you for coming.